Every man have to learn. Forget themselves to perfection. Want me lose, but me man fi win.
Going up on this well, so there is going to be on dancehall artist FLEXX, and that's with 2X. It's the follow-up from Foota Hype, where Foota Hype went live and stated he did their DNA and found out that the little boy that FLEXX thought that was his is really his Foota Hype, and more so FLEXX is seeing him don't rate Foota Hype for that, because Foota Hype been new and Foota Hype didn't say anything. And just to be sure, FLEXX is on MUMZELL live. So it was him and MUMZELL speaking. And MUMZELL is the young lady that Foota Hype make reference in saying him don't know how MUMZELL get into it, because FLEXX is the one really using MUMZELL to do the dirty work, etc. Anyway, have a listen for yourself. Alright, catch you in the next video.
No, say, me not come here for talk nothing for clout, and I got a lot of good people in my life who was like begging me to say, yo, listen, leave it alone, no bother too, but I have to talk my truth, because you got a lot of people who's gonna say, yo, this and say that, like, oh, Foota come make up lie, and but me did have gonorrhea. Me did have too much good people, other good people, Foota. Me did remember say Bonnie Jean and Cherish did that in a Foota. I remember most of this time when me there student and me and Bonnie Jean are driving, you know. You understand? It wasn't about that why you drive the car. And me try remember good say and me say Foota you a drive today. Not tell the people them about me did have no gonorrhea through you try in discriminate me. Me not easy to discriminate. You understand what I say? So here we go now. Me say you me deal with respect. Me just say yo, listen to me now. No, me just say listen to me now. Don't come tell a lie, come talk the truth. You understand what I say? Come talk the truth and say how the thing go. You understand? MUMZELL is a girl from Foundation. You should even have this MUMZELL. You and MUMZELL reason differently. When MUMZELL see the thing, MUMZELL just vex. You know why MUMZELL vex? MUMZELL has a FLEXX. Look how you beg me not done the girl. Look how she dry you, look how she drag you. She mash up the whole of me thing. And them time the mind you in a people. The girl on Foota no say. The girl on Foota no say. I feed them youth in a them time then. I mean I tell about 3-4 years ago, you know.
No, we're talking about okay.
Night 2019 in night. Them know and nobody say nothing to me. And Foota is one of the one them when we see the thing them pan pink wall, cause you don't know him a viral king. Him go through internet and him see everything. So when him a come and talk about him vex with the girl, him and the girl no deal. Foota, me and you supposed to be brothers.
I made
from different mothers.
I'm a mother to a lot of kids.
So you can't, you're not
I am a mother to a lot of kids. I made them have any kids, but I'm a mother to a lot of kids.
All right, we know say the girl responsibility for say it and for do it or whatever. But to all we live, you should have even said to me, say, yo, DJ, remember in a Foota, a book we book, you know. I remember saying a Foota, I come up here, come keep a party already, you know. And you take vice projector, you know, and cuss me, you know. Say me and your brother, look how long we apart. And you come up here, keep party, and you know, say me are the viral king. You remember in a Vibes Lounge? And you come up here and know, say me are the viral king, and you know, book me for your party. You know, book me for your party through you come up here, and I young gully got a par, you know, book me for your party, John know me vex. And mind you, that time, you know about all this situation. So, oh, you can address me about everything else. And you don't want to address me about that. You understand what I say? That's why I say, you are a snake. And everybody know that you're a snake. You understand what I say? So you know come and pretend and act like say, yo, I flex this and flex that. I'm not vexed with you and I'm not mad at you. I just realize the person you are, that's why I cut you off. Because I say you know too much to me left my head back careless with Foota enough times Zella. So him could have killed me because if him know all of that me and him could have go on one location and me not come back and him say him not know nothing about it. Because you know we are G. Them say we not know nothing about the thing, but you understand? Remember, some got person of interest already. Some man don't know nothing about that. You understand? So here we know. I'm not in the dragging and I just want done with this. But Foota is a germs. And you need to take a life one day and talk about yourself, your dirty ways them. Because remember, you don't like nobody, you know. Remember, you don't like nobody. From you can't.
Before him go on live and say, all right, MUMZELL, what you did by showing the picture, which him should even said that, FLEXX. Him should even said that, but what you go on live and show the picture, you shouldn't do this because it's damaging the kid. No, Foota, you show that picture first. What I did, I was just counting on the fact that she disrespect me multiple times, and me I get back to her right with my receipt.
You don't have nothing to do with this. I told the people them never know the facts, man.
You pray for me for a lot of my you pray for me your backside. You play for me multiple parties, almost every party when me ever keep a you that Foota hype. So you can't get to Flex for rub out Flex. You talk to you and Flex is friend people. And that mean a lie. The fact that you say him and Flex a friend, when if you and Flex is so much of a friend, why didn't you tell Flex that? After everything what the woman says, she don't want to say to Flex because Flex I got drag around class up on social media because of everything what she do to him and what she do to me. Why you never go to Flex and say, boy, up to December 19 you play a Flex dance. I'm even go on the mic a Flex dance and say, yes, Foota hype. What a way. You come a YG them party 7 o'clock and you come a Flex party 10 o'clock. Wanna banter the people in party, so and me a host, me I still good at that point because you know, say me not see nothing and hold it back. Me I go talk it Foota hype. Why is it that if you have a problem with me Sunday night a carrying party, why you never say something? Why you gonna tell the whole world say you not gonna talk to me like me care if you want to talk to me ever again?
No, because listen up, because
no, me not understand why you want that shit don't want upon me.
No, well, because he has a platform and he has a couple people that agree with him with a couple stuff that he says, but they don't know the history of this brother. This brother is a self-man. If him cannot manipulate you and him cannot tell you what to do or how to live your life, remember, you know, a years him do them thing, you know, but me just fall in the trap.
All right, when I say me blow Foota thing, when Foota did hear people talk, say me and Flex there. Why when him call me and him talk, I say no. Why him keep on running with it? So him blow my thing then say me blow it, not supposed to be a problem, it's supposed to be even. Because if it was somebody else, him would have a problem with that. But him have a problem with me people. I mean I see the reason why you have a problem with what I did. Me not see the reason why him have a problem with what me do. Me not see the because if I'm me, I see them come and give me dirty water for bounty killer. I see them give me dirty water for my case. But me if I walk with all of the dirty water, the dirty basket, I don't have to say nothing.
Well, I know. All right. Well, I know. People, as I'm telling you, right, I want to know, understand. And I understand also. Well, I know. I understand also. I want to understand. I want to get the facts straight. It is not Foota hypes. It's not in its place to tell me that. Right? But I'm saying, to how close we are as friends with this situation, we talk about everything else. All right, you see me, you hear me, and you smile with me. If I was the one at fault and she don't want to do it, this is just my opinion. To all, I know how it go. It would reach me them way there, but I'm saying if I was in that position, they like me that say, oh yeah, here I go and Foota, you know, say, I have to talk to you about something and tell you about something and tete. Me that really say something. But the fact that you see me and you laugh with me and everything. Remember, you know, people, me have a video where just come out, you know. And in a Foota party, me set the video for premiere, you know. In a Foota party and Foota alright with it and we promote it and say, yeah, remember, you know. We say it to him and everything, you know. And he say, yeah, alright. And we are promoted in a Gallus Wednesday, in a Foota party. And you know why I wasn't there? Because I see the picture. That's the difference with me. I don't do hypocrite role. I'm not play hypocrite role. You understand, Zella? You know me about, you know that about me. Anything, may I come to you and may I tell you straight. You understand? Say it wouldn't have reached this far. You understand what I say? But him hold it and them, hold it and them, hold it and them, laugh with me. And the mother put me, drag me, and them know, and them know, and them know, and them know. And then me supposed to go on like a saint and act like say, yo, yeah man, laugh with your Foota and say, yeah man, Foota, good youth, yeah man, big up yourself, Foota, ray. No, I ain't gonna do that, dude.
Better don't make me come for
I'm not gonna do that, because I'm not a hypocrite.
Mr. Chin, you don't make me come for you, Mr. Chin. You don't make me come for you, Mr. Chin.
The school where we are come from, the school where I come from, Foota, we don't know nothing about that. But you see the school where you come from, it's full of hypocrisy and bad mind. You understand? And snake thinker, he's a snake, this guy is well amongst the people them. But you see the real people them,
enough people
the real people them, Foota,
all the time. So
we know you, bro. We know you. So don't come back and talk a bag of things and you come to talk about baby mother issue, then you're gone in a gonorrhea and badness, which the gonorrhea thing a lie and the badness thing you still know say we're not even a talk about that, so just go easy. You understand? Yeah, remember so. We don't want to deal with that and we just allow them thing they are Zella. We don't have the time more time because some people we just want
honestly, me not have no time for this right now, to be honest. As me say,
right now,
me never have nothing against Foota hype, I'm still not have it until him call me name. Until him call me name the right way where I could have said, alright, me need to adjust Foota hype. Me not go in and out details about Foota hype. I calling out Tanya and I've been calling out Tanya and I did tell you as his baby mother, as his baby dad, as our baby daddy, and I did say to FLEXX, to Foota hype.
The girl now on germs, man.
And Tanya don't come up.
The reason why she don't want to tell me.
All over the place, she did what she had
the
to
reason
do.
why she don't want to.
So it's my time to do what I have to do.
It's the reason why she don't want to talk, because she know the thing them what she do, and she know say, yo, I'm not gonna take that lightly because people, she really got hard. She really got hard, and if you see she got so hard and knows that the youth is not my youth, and she and her mother really try mash up my life to an extent where, trust me, a whole heap of something would even talk people. I'm just go and hold it and cause whole heap go through with them.
If find FLEXX when me have a go talk from scratch to bottom. Over here, sir, now go ever good again. Over here, sir, now go ever good again. So I'm still at old mind.
But you know why it not really stress me? Cause here I go now. Here I go now. I know I'm really with them, you know. You see what I say? So you don't know. I know honestly to tell you the truth. You know what I say? You know what I say now? I say, well, man, I say, I know I'm really with them. You can't tell me if I say, I know I'm really with them. Where I tell me, say, I know I'm really with them. Or if you tell me, say, I don't guess me, I guess. I know I'm really with them. You understand? When I see him, after I see him 9 years, but I not talk about that car, as a youth, I still have love for. And he know that when him see me, him run come to me and him say, Daddy, because they know I treat them good. At the end of the day, you understand me? I say, but the fact of the matter is, I don't feel, I have no hate in me. You understand? I just feel disrespected by the whole situation. But at the end of the day, me as a boy, I'm not going to go on like no idiot. I'm not going to go on like no fool. I don't fool my composure. I don't fool it. A long time we have to do this, you know that to Zella. You understand? But I just only, I say, yo, when somebody talk facts and don't come make up nothing, you come on social media to talk about the situation. And it never had to reach social media. Because you could have seen me and you say it to me. But the fact that me text you and call you, batty man, until you go suck out your dead mama and disrespect you and say pussy ray, you feel like you have to come on social media with it without even say to me, say yo, make we talk about it and you is not a man, he's a boy. That's why you got to social media.
And that's what I am saying to FLEXX.
Yeah,
that's what I'm saying. He's not a man, he's a boy.
He's not a man, he's a boy. Here where you do now. Here where you do now.
But FLEXX, that's the same thing I'm saying. Me come to you Sunday night and me say to you, I explain it to me, but two one boy drag me away from here. You open your mouth, I say no, this not real. Can you open him here and him mouth every part time, right? So I must say, okay, so why you never reach out to me when me tell you say Foota hype, me I reach out to you all along. I'm gonna go up on the phone and I show you all of the number. Me I send you the picture.
No,
no, there's not no real person, but
he doesn't want it.
Because you know why you know Foota. What on the FLEXX? Him know why you pre him the real way. So him a dash it for me for make me look like say I'm me at the bad apple. Okay, people, my bad apple and me messy. But one thing I like. Me no bad mind, nobody. And Foota no say me never bad mind him yet. I'm always there for everyone and my friend them and my family. And if me and me's a loyal girl, cause anything when me I keep, me I pay Foota hype, and me I try him out, and me I call him out. So me not understand and me giving him big up and me giving him respect.
Zella, him no want it that way there. He didn't want it the big man way. He wanted it on social media. So him can get views and him can get clout. And him can feel like him can, you know, hear what the man said? The man said, him drive me, go, alright. Alright, anybody who ever catch, the man I try to tell people, say me, Walla no, Zella man, Walla no,
catch gonorrhea for two FLEXX?
What, no, then I tell you something, man. If Walla no, every man will catch gonorrhea, or have gonorrhea, or whatever it is, them know what it is, or whoever it is. But, the man say me catch gonorrhea so bad that me have to beg him to carry me go to hospital. So nobody the first in the history of we growing up this ever come about. The care and everything, yeah, but remember just me do that for gear strength and ray. And then you say me have gonorrhea Foota? Yo, youth, so you want to get clout. And you could have just deal with the thing, sit on a situation, but yo, you post the picture and then you blame MUMZELL. Remember, you post the picture, you know, that's how we got the picture because upon your what, remember, me not have your number, you know. A year WhatsApp the picture come off, you know. So, oh, you can blame people now. You understand what I say? You can't do that, my G. You understand? I know so the thing go, brother. And I know when you come to talk tomorrow, or come to say back where you say, just start the story, how it goes. Or you call back me here, you say you're not talk to Tanya. Call her and ask her.
Him not talk to Tanya, but yet still Tanya send him send you back. Him not talk to Tanya in a FLEXX. I come and sense him not talk to Tanya. But yet still the same voice note where you send to Tanya.
No, it's not a voice note, it's a message. Him not tell the people them that. That's why I done him, because I remember me not text you, you know. I want something me send to you, you know. I remember you know text me and me send one message to the girl phone. And the girl phone me send a message to you know. And you send me back the message. Like you know when somebody I say, yeah man, me see this way you send man. Somebody just say, yeah, I said it. Go and suck out your mama. And this him. So him know say me not in a friendship thing with him again. Because I tell you go suck your dead mama. Me not in a friendship thing with you again. And you shouldn't have to make it lead to that. Why when you send the message, before you send the message or when you get the message, you never see the message and think for say, you know what, say me I got to talk to FLEXX because it look like him really hurt and him never tell me about my mother yet and him know say my mother dead. Why you never say you just text me and make us sort it out? No, a social media you go. Because that's your life with the big germs.
Remember I just few of them people here, because I don't know them and I don't want to know them. I just certain things.
No read, no comment, man.
I want to keep on saying that Foota hype never diss me. One, blocking someone that call on your phone, talking about you're not going to deal with that person again, and me for come out of it because me don't know nothing. I did not diss Foota hype. I did not diss them. I only say what I said on the media, stating that, okay, Foota hype, or you never tell me, say, I your son. Whether me did say it or not, somebody else would have done it. So why is it a problem that I said it? Why is it a problem? Obviously, Foota hype, you have something against me. You have something against me from before. You know, from when you have something against me, from the minute you start saying that me and FLEXX are together. And if me and FLEXX are together, you and me know
MUMZELL,
100
MUMZELL,
come
they don't know what say. Well, I know they don't know what say.
Foota hype, when me tell you say me I reach out to you, I came to why not MUMZELL? Don't take the life. Don't go hard pan her. Make me talk about it or discuss it, Foota hype. Why did you say that? Me just try to understand who them not understanding of that. No. Put anybody in my position for a girl will rub me out, dash me up on pink wall, left, right, and center, class me up, DM me, come under me live, come under Foota FLEXX live, and class me up. Me no business about Foota hype situation, saying FLEXX woman or breed FLEXX woman. Me no care about that. Me care about the fact that you thinking barrel girl, do me all manner of people. One in a talk about that. Putting yourself in my shoes, people. Me not be calm. Me I go be a done-said barrel right now. Me
no, calm down. Well, I know MUMZELL.
Me not no calm.
Well, I know. Hear me say no. Hear me say that with you sometime, you know. Not that. You know the fridge. Me say put it down. Go on your bed. So MUMZELL. Sometime that me I tell you, you tell me if you calm and you're there. Calm down, the girl, man. Yeah, make people get bored. Calm down, man. Calm down, man. Just calm, man. I know so the thing go be. Just calm down. Yeah, cause people not stop look on with people I say be. We are talk facts and not look on with people I say people are gonna try to show you off. Me I talk facts, me not look on people messages. That ain't me right now. You understand? Me just I say yo, it never did have to reach to this and I never me carried to this level. I wasn't the one who carried to this level. Because if I had known from a long time, if I had known genuinely from long time, and my friend them who said them, and my friend MUMZELL, and to all me deal with them, remember this as somebody where my book pan show and actually text him long after that and get other show for him. You understand? So you know, say I don't know nobody where me have no bad blood with. But him have bad blood with me all along and no make me know. You understand? And then him a blame you, but you put up picture on social media when him post the picture. Cause a Jamaica me get it from my phone. Jamaica me get it from my phone off a him media platform. So what are you saying? Then you come and talk about Uno don't post the picture. Uno don't post the picture. When the in fact is you first post it. Then you come and make a bag of talk about it's your girl. Stop telling lies, bro. When you think try call your baby mother and ask her who and her did a talk, or who no, ask her who and her was having sex, not talking, because you never did have sex with her them time until about 3 years after. Try remember good. About 3-4 years after you start have sex with she. I may not even know, because God know, I'm not swear for no woman right now. But them time there, because you talk it out of your mouth, say you never did have sex with her. Ask her, if I'm not Jerry, me take her from. The little Indian fool man. Our man, to not even one boy, our man. One little idiot boy. You understand me I say? And she have to run out of the house down every day and come in her car. Them time the Foota, come on, bro. Nobody come down a little something about your little girl and your lover. Them time then the girl either get your love, because you never fuck nothing. A yellow juice you used to name. Remember we used to call it yellow juice. Because you never fuck nothing. And them time every man in the crew have girl. Every man. Because when them time, when me have Tanya, remember me get a youth already. You understand me? I say, plus me have other gal road, plus me I fly out and I go all over the place. You understand me? I say, so at them time that the end, but you know when a man just want to get back to you, at that him do MUMZELL and get back to me like him a saying and carry vengeance. And him been hate me from that. You understand me? I say, been hate me from that. But me now watch that, bro. Me now watch that Foota. So when you come and attack a thing, remember we make the history them. And we build the history them. You on the comboard come join the history. But we build the history them, you try remember that and you know me not tell a lie from you.
When him carry out the studio, come there talk about some studio situation.
Me don't know about no studio situation we talk about.
Oh, you know
the boy make a be a lie that pussy they tell him. Go suck him. I don't want disrespect nobody still, because you don't know. Then I'm gonna tell you, say the man come with film owner ulterior motive and set for you see MUMZELL, you know, see how long the man take for come on live. But me want, because I know, I done with this, you know. What?
I already do it 3 days ago, I'm still go over lava, because why I went over lava, I'm trying to get out.
Oh, you mean? You should have me tell you for me.
Because Tanya came for me, so me I try to make the bitch come back for me.
Remember.
Because them say me are the Orin and the touring one. So to me, Orin and me touring, Tanya come with the receipt them.
But remember say, you come to me first and me say, yeah man, do your thing man, because remember me no business again.
Okay, thank you. You send me to do my thing.
Yeah, me say, remember me tell you say.
FLEXX. Me come under respect. And I went to him under respect too.
No man, I treat him feel like a pussy.
Lava
feel like a pussy.
So Lava live, I didn't know a live. Me didn't want to
too. Hold on, man. They don't know say. Enough people know before me, you know. Enough people know before me. Like enough people in a film surroundings them know before me. But me not blame him about that. Yo. It's just that, the man, boy, trust me, all that girl, they're weak.
So, me still a call out Tanya, because Tanya, you give it to me wicked and wild. So, Tanya, I'm still calling you out. You and your mother, because you and your mother disrespect me. You and your mother rub me, so me a call un out same way, Tanya. Me been a call it out, and me not get the answer what me want. So me a call it out, and every live when me go by anywhere me feel like me want to say that, me a go say it, so me no care. No care in my game, no care in my boat, no care. I have no care in this world right now. Me can't breathe, so what? I'm a mother to a lot. Me can't breathe, so what? I'm a mother to a lot. Me no oversight.
Me a shot going on. Zell them. Me a shot going on studio, you know, so. You know the thing, go, madam.
FLEXX, should have been FLEXX, you should have sing a song about this or something all long. It out from
about a man. MUMZELL, I like me with them in a certain things, man. I'm good, man.
Do a song about this.
No, man, them thing they done for me, man. I'm done with me. I'm good, man. Everything good, man. People just listen out for new thing, them. Go up on the Vivo. You don't know.
Me
I've
don't
a
know.
new song over there.
You know, some have some whole heap of picture. Me have some whole
I've
heap
a new,
of
no, here, man, people go over.
some
May I
whole
come
heap of
out?
screenshot where she did
Hold
text
on,
me
hold on,
apart.
Zella, hold on. Me done with that now. Me done with that now. People, no go over Vivo. Check out the new thing. Don't make your dopey fool you. FLEXX Vivo. FLEXX Vivo. No go over there. Go check out the thing. Don't make your dopey fool you. New video. And a bag of thing up on the Vivo. Right now, my career me a deal with. Me not on the negativity, Zella. I'm done with them things. I can't bother with the fucker right now. You see me, because you don't know tomorrow you're going to see this all over social media and a them thing them want. I'm not doing, and some do me thing. You see me, people. So, you don't know my apologies. Sorry for all of that stuff me and them come below you, because you don't know. You see me, and that's how we grow, and a them thing that we know. You understand me? I say we don't do things for clout, we don't do things for glory. You understand? I want to come on life, come tell story in a real life. You understand me? I say we talk real things, so. You don't know how the thing go. You understand? Everybody have them miss up, but everybody still have to tell them story. You see what I say? So, you don't know, I just say go. You see me? You just big up on yourself, G, because you don't know. Real people do real things. Zella, don't make them get you irritable. Don't talk too much. Don't say no whole heap of something. You don't know them people are steering. You understand me? I say, these people, this at the end of the chapter with that something you have to me. You don't see me on social media with them something. You understand me? Just come address some things with Foota say, because I'm a big man. You understand me? I say, you understand me? I fought me and a little pitney. You see me just come address say, yo, you don't know when you talk things, talk it real and don't come talk no fake something when you go so. You understand me? I say, so you don't know me people, big up on yourself and love on the street, because you don't know real this you say from the heart. You understand me? I say, yeah, when I make up nothing. You see me? Yeah, everybody go through them situation and people, I just say it go. You see me? But at the end of the day, Foota me now big you up, because you're not straight. You understand me? I say, but you don't know. Love worldwide, respect, same way. Zella, you don't know, just link more forward off. You see it? And big up yourself.
Brother, big up yourself. One love.
Madam, yeah.